Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to do a video I've been wanting to do for a very long time. I'm going to be doing a what's on my iPhone X video, and before we get into that video, please hit the subscribe button watermark right here and give it a thumbs up if you do enjoy this video, and be sure to check out other videos I have on my channel. So if you're interested to see what's on my iPhone X, just keep on watching. So on my phone I have, you're going to just see the home page. So the first home page, I just have a black marble background just to go with my phone case. I do have the iPhone X 200 and I think it's like 56. I don't know, I might be wrong. It's the 200 whatever amount of space it has on it. And I have it in the color silver or white. I don't know. And I do have this Michael Kors phone case on it. So I do have a marble background on it. The first thing you'll see on the home page is just your basic stuff. The messaging, the calendar, photos, camera, maps, all of that stuff. I do not use SoundCloud. I do have my iTunes account, which I have lots and lots of music on there. Let's see how many songs I have. I have a lot of country and rap and stuff on there. It doesn't tell me how much I have, but I do have lots of music on my phone. Oh, sorry. And on the second page, you're going to see I just have FaceTime, the calculator. I have my banking. I'm not super organized with this. I have Wells Fargo, my Chase, and American Express Bluebird. The reason why I have that, it's like a prepaid card, but I like using that so I can get my paychecks earlier. I get them like about 3 days earlier than originally I'm supposed to get them, so that's pretty cool. I have Spotify. I love my Spotify. I'm always on it. I have AT&T, Twitter. If you're not following me on Twitter, go follow me. It's just Sonia and Mads. Pinterest. I'm always on Pinterest. Like, that's seriously my favorite. Like, when I'm bored, I'm just like pinning stuff that I wish I could afford. Starbucks, of course. Amazon. I order very little from Amazon just because I don't like waiting for stuff to ship to my house. Instagram. If you're not following me on Instagram, go ahead and follow me. It's Sonia and Mads. You'll see that in the description. So I just have a bunch of stuff. My Apple Watch. I do have an Apple Watch. So that app, I really don't even use it. I'm not sure what this image thing is. I have not used that app. Snapchat. I'm always on Snapchat. Like, all the freaking time. Facebook Messenger. YouTube, of course. I have my mail right here. Nothing you see on my phone is organized. I do not organize it. I leave it the way it is because that's how I like it. Facebook. I have Groupon. I just downloaded that, which I don't know how to use it. So, yeah. I don't know why I have it. I have the DirecTV app. I use my mom's DirecTV because I don't have cable at my house because I hardly watch TV. The only time I do is when I'm at work, which is bad to say. So I have my mom's DirecTV app, and I could watch like Teen Mom and all that while I'm at work. Chick-fil-A, because you get awesome freaking deals, like free food and stuff. The next page you're going to see I have Brad's Deals, which I don't know why I have that because I don't even use it. Poshmark, of course. I've sold a couple of things on Poshmark, but not too much. Etsy. I am an Etsy seller, so I do have Etsy on there. And I also like to purchase from Etsy. I do sell customized shirts, cups, hair bows, you name it, I do it. Target, of course. Who doesn't love Target? I don't know what the files thing is. I think it's just like it's iCloud. I have the Pink Nation app, my activity tracker, which I don't look at because I have an Apple Watch, but I don't exercise or do anything productive, so yeah. I have Hopper because I really want to travel soon, so I've been looking at flights for things. Days, I use this for just like countdowns for stuff I enjoy. So this is for my daughter Madison's birthday. It's 62 more days until it's her birthday. which I'm so sad. And then I have the Etsy seller app because I'm a seller on Etsy, so I just see like how many likes my page has, you know, stuff like that. Progressive, that's the insurance I have. I have what the font. So what the font is basically, if you see like a pretty font like on a piece of paper or like on a picture or something, you want to know what type of font that is, you just basically put it in what the font, you like take a big screenshot or whatever, put it into what the font, and then it tells you what the name of that font is. I have Hulu, because that's what I use to watch TV at work sometimes. I have Watermark, because I did have Adobe for Photoshop or whatever, but I wasn't trying to pay $100 for it. So I ended up canceling that, and I got this Watermark thing, which I think I'm going to delete because the watermarks on it aren't nice. I mean, it makes sense though. They're free, so why would they be pretty? The Apple Store Clips, which I have not used yet. iMovie, which I don't use on my phone, is really complicating. Keynote, which I don't use. Pages, which I use on my computer, but not on my phone. MyFitnessPal is basically where you want to track your, like what you eat, your calories and stuff, which I haven't tracked for a very long time, and it blows my phone up. So pretty much useless for me now. I just don't do it because I'm just too lazy to count my calories. I have Tumblr. I've had Tumblr for a long time, since I was like in middle school. HBO Now, which I'm actually going to delete because I don't use that. I don't have HBO Now anymore. Canva. Oh my god. I absolutely hate Canva. It's a long story. I'm not going to get into it right now. If you guys want to see a video on that, let me know. But do not subscribe for Canva. And I will tell you why if you guys want to see a video on that. I'll probably make the video anyways because it was so frustrating what happened to me. It was unbelievable. Enough of that. It's getting me angry talking about it. I have HypeType. So HypeType is actually for Instagram stories. You see those really nice Instagram stories where they say, like, I want to show you real quick. Hold on, I'll just show you. We'll use my kitten. So it says double tap to edit. So basically you just put like whatever you want to put. A lot of like Instagram people like use this a lot. And it does that basically to your phone. So it makes your stories look pretty. So that's what HypeType is for. Progressive is a leasing company that I go through. Not going to get into it. Not really important. Like to Know It is just an app on where you could see where you could get different shirts and outfits from that you see an Instagram star wearing or whatever. Fonto, which I'm not sure what that is. I've just been downloading so much random stuff. It's like weird. Eraser, Pic Collage, Live Collage. I just can't decide which one I like. Google Home. I do have a Google Home speaker, so that is why I have that on my phone. The quality on that is amazing. The only thing is it's not wireless, so it has to be plugged in 24/7. So you can't take it to the lake or the beach. It has to be plugged in. And then Instagram TV, which I have not used yet. I want to try using it, but to be honest, I don't even click on the actual Instagram TV. I don't like watching it. Like, it's stupid. So yeah, that is everything that is on my iPhone. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. And let me know down in the comments below if you want to see or you want to hear that story about my awful time with Canva. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Hello, hello again.